Okay, so I'm gonna use these two coasters, and I also got this mica powder, 36 colors on Amazon. I thought this one was pretty. Or even this purple. Indecisive. This one's called blue and this one's called golden blue. And this lilac. Actually, let's see. I'm gonna go ahead and use, they're both really pretty. I'll try this purple. And I also got this old makeup brush that I used to use on shadows. And I'm just gonna dip my brush in there and just brush along the mat. Look how pretty and shimmery it is on camera. With this other one, I'm gonna do it with this color blue. I want to try something different. This is what's called sky blue. Look how pretty. It's really nice and iridescent even on camera, but in person it's beautiful. There you go, look how pretty. And then we'll epoxy it and see how it comes out. I'll be right back. Alright y'all, so for the moment of truth, this is what it's looking like. I did a black base. This is the first time I've done this. Forgot to fill it all the way up to the top. Okay, let's start off with this one. Yeah. Okay, I don't really like much this one. But should made it a little bit more thicker. But okay, let's check this one out. It's not bad for the first time. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, not bad for the first time. It's just very plain. Very plain. And I should have made this one a little bit more thicker because it's bendy. But it's okay for the first time. And it looks similar. But now I know what I can do. Very cute. So I got this Deco Color Premium Prime marker in gold from Walmart, and it's an oil base. And let's try to trim the sides, see how it looks. Like I said, my first time doing one of these coasters. I even like how the black part looks. Has some specks of blue in there. and I trimmed the edges. I was gonna trim this side, but I don't know if I should. And I think it looks fine. Either way, it looks good. Go that way or this way. Now we're gonna do this one. Next time I will do it much thicker, now that I know. So now what I'm gonna do is do the edges, give it a nice pop of color. These are the end results. Thanks for watching. God bless and see you next week for another tutorial. Bye!